Kia ora whānau, welcome to Whakarua Park for today's clash, the annual King's Birthday clash between Pāora Bay and Ngāti Porou East Coast. It's the 178th time that these teams have clashed. Let's go and meet up with the coaches and see how the prep's been. Pāora Ian, how's the prep been this week, bro, for the boys?
Yeah, pretty good, eh? So we had 3 trainings to get through, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday evening, and the feel in the camp was pretty positive, eh? A lot of energy, good attitude, and a lot of buy-in from the young fellas. So yeah.
So what can we expect to see out there from the boys today?
I think a lot of flair. There's a lot of young talent on the side, and led by some good veterans of the Pāora Bay Union. So a bit of a combination between those guys. I'm hoping to see good chemistry come through. So yeah, it should be exciting.
Hey Kahu, how's the prep been this week?
Yeah, kia ora whānau. Yeah, prep has been good. With us we have limited prep, so it has to be quality, and I'm pretty impressed with how the boys have taken to coming together, and I'm really excited.
You've got a lot of young fellas in there today. How are they settling in?
Yeah, really good. They actually surprised me. Usually young fellas come in and they hide away and they don't really speak, but there's a handful of these boys that are doing the opposite, which is good. At
the other end of the scale today, you've got a couple of veterans notching up a couple of milestones. Sammy Parks plays his 100th first-class game, and Richie Green togging up for the 50th time.
Yeah, no, it's given us some good motivation. 2 fellas who have put their body on the line for the Sky Blue for how many years it takes to get those amount of caps. So I know they don't like that stuff, but it's good for us because we can use it.
Awesome, bro. All the best for today.
Kia ora.
Both teams pretty evenly matched for the first 10 minutes, but it would take the big number 8 from Pāora Bay, Moala, to get the first points on the board. It's still there for Pāora Bay. There's an advantage here. They come again through Moala. Spinning, turning. Can he get it down? He does, right in front of the referee there. Pāora Bay will take the first points. Ngāti Porou would answer back at the 22nd minute mark with a try off a line-out drive to Jorian Tēnei. The drive on here, they set it up as Pāora Bay shunt them backwards, but now they get the drive going. Tēnei with the ball in the back. They keep moving. Driving again. Tēnei's got it. Can they get him over the line? There's the first points to Ngāti Porou off one of those driving mauls. A costly mistake from Ngāti Porou while on attack would see Pāora Bay pick the ball up just outside their 22 and go the length of the field to score under the post, showcasing some brilliant passing on the way. Does Pāora Bay come away with it through Grant? They've got support here. Grant, he's got numbers with him. There's 2. Back in field now to Prophet. Prophet stepping. Prophet still going. Oh, beautiful stepping here from Matt. Prophet gets the pass away to Nick. Oh, and it's got beautiful running there behind the post. Pāora Bay taking advantage of the loose play from Ngāti Porou. Ill discipline would prove costly for Pāora Bay, allowing the man celebrating his 100th first-class game to score a try right under the post to even up the score. Probably a bit of chat there. Parks goes quickly. Parks going at the line. Oh, under the post there for Sammy Parks. After 10 minutes in the second half, Pāora Bay would take a 3-point lead through a penalty to first 5 Nick Prophet. But it wouldn't take long for Ngāti Porou to answer back through some individual brilliance down the sideline through second 5, Tremaine Butler to score in the corner. Butler will go in the corner. Some nice work there from the midfield. Ngāti Porou would score off a line-out drive through replacement prop Jaden Luia-Pukia before Pāora Bay would score a brilliant backs try down the sideline, Ngāti Porou taking out the game 28 points to 22. They come again out to... This is Claudio, I think, gets it to Purvis. Purvis up the middle here. He's got numbers with him. Prophet sends it out to Bosco. Congratulations, bro. Your first game at captain, and the boys have done you proud.
Yeah, bro. Tuatahi ake. Pakanga nui te rānei. Me mihi ki a tūranga. I tai mai ki konei. Mihi ana ki ngā kaupoi o Ngāti Porou I whakakanohi te iwi tēnei rā. Yeah, bro, it was another mean battle. And I was just glad to come out on top. I was just going to mention those 2 players that celebrated milestones today. You've played a few games with them. What do they mean to Ngāti Porou rugby? Yeah, so they're the epitome of a kaupoi. especially Greenie and Parksy. They've been here through the dark years, and they've been there through the top years too. So e mihi ana ki era rangatira, still doing it, still battling, even at this old age.